We need food to live, we need water to live. These are basic facts. But what if these facts are not always true? What if humans could live without food and water? This idea seems impossible. Yet, some people believe it. They call themselves Breatharians. Breatharianism is the belief that humans can survive without traditional food and water. It is a fascinating concept that challenges our understanding of human biology. Breatharians believe that they can get all the energy they need from the air, sunlight, and other cosmic sources. Is this even possible? Can humans really live on air and light alone? This essay will explore the intriguing world of Breatharianism. We will look at its history, beliefs, and the science behind it. Breatharianism is not new. It has roots in ancient spiritual traditions. In India, for example, some yogis claim to survive on prana, the life force in the air. Throughout history, there have been stories of individuals living without food or water for extended periods. Modern Breatharianism gained popularity in the 20th century. Books and teachings by people like Wiley Brooks and Jasmuheen spread the idea. Breatharians often combine their practices with meditation, spirituality, and a connection to nature. They believe that food is not the only source of energy. They see prana, chi, or universal energy as more potent sources. They believe that by tapping into these energies, humans can transcend their physical limitations. Breatharians believe in a holistic view of energy. They believe that energy exists in many forms, not just in food. They see the body as a complex energy system that can interact with these different forms of energy. Prana, often translated as life force, is a central concept. Breatharians believe that prana is present in the air we breathe. They practice specific breathing techniques to absorb and utilize this energy. Similarly, qi or qi is another vital energy form in traditional Chinese medicine. Breatharians often incorporate practices like qigong to enhance their energy flow and connect with universal energy. Sunlight is also seen as a vital energy source. Breatharians believe that sunlight provides not only warmth but also nourishment and energy. They may spend time in the sun, absorbing its rays. Section 4. The Science of Survival, Unveiling the Non-Negotiables. While Breatharianism offers an intriguing perspective, science tells a different story. Human biology relies on specific nutrients for survival. We need carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals to function. These nutrients come from the food we eat. Our digestive system breaks down food into these essential components, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream and used by our cells. Water is equally crucial. It makes up a significant portion of our body and plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. From regulating temperature to transporting nutrients, water is non-negotiable for human survival. Oxygen, obtained through breathing, is another essential element. Our cells need oxygen to produce energy through cellular respiration. Without oxygen, our cells would quickly die. Section 5. Pushing the limits. Can the human body adapt? While prolonged fasting is dangerous, the human body does have some remarkable adaptive mechanisms. During periods of starvation, the body can slow down its metabolism to conserve energy. The body can also switch to alternative fuel sources. When glucose, the primary energy source, is scarce, the body can break down stored fat and even muscle protein to provide energy. Metabolic water, a byproduct of these metabolic processes, can provide some hydration. However, the amount of metabolic water produced is usually insufficient to meet the body's needs, especially during prolonged fasting. Autophagy, a cellular process that breaks down and recycles damaged cell components, is another adaptive mechanism. While beneficial in some contexts, autophagy alone cannot sustain life indefinitely. Section 6. Breatharianism, in reality, evidence and reflections. There have been many claims of Breatharianism. Some individuals claim to have lived for years without food or water. However, when scientifically investigated, most of these claims have been debunked. In many cases, individuals claiming to be Breatharians were found to be consuming food and water secretly. Others experienced severe health complications and even death due to prolonged fasting. While the human body is incredibly resilient, it has limits. Science provides overwhelming evidence that humans cannot survive long-term without food and water. The claims of Breatharianism contradict our current understanding of biology and physiology. However, the allure of Breatharianism lies in its spiritual and philosophical implications. It raises questions about human potential, consciousness, and our relationship with the universe. While the idea of living on air alone remains scientifically implausible, it invites us to explore the power of the human mind and the mysteries that still surround us.